So as some of you may know, we got a new vlogger camera! And the video of that is soon. So I was looking at screen protectors. I just made a screen protector out of 3M clear bra material for this beat up camera. So maybe it'll last a little bit longer. But then I found this stuff in my hoard. So I'm going to use this. I might just go a little over on the paint to protect it. I don't know if that's bad or good. So you might try that. I can probably, with the remainder piece, I could put it on the other camera because I have 2 sheets of this, so this is awesome. We're going to try this. Cut the grid, peel one side, peel another, I don't know. Damn it, we messed up. We got a little edge over there, but there it is, on. And a little bubble, but it's coming out. Let's try another one. I don't blame Moondog, but there's one screen protector, there's 2. See, I went a little over on the bottom, and I wanted to do that by default, but I didn't go right there, it's missing. It was tricky using the same piece twice, because you really have to peel it. But there we go. Might protect it, might not, I don't know. This screen certainly beat up on this one, and I put clear bra on it. It'll help. Next time it drags across the floor at the junkyard. Oh, someone's buzzing in. Yeah, that came out really nice. And there's Moondog and Hoard. I was gonna buy freaking lens protectors like an ass. I have so much shit in my hoard. If I would have done this to the other cameras I have, the Nikon, this camera, the same camera I had as that, it would have lasted. They broke the screen on this one. That was the only really issue. Then I took it apart, and yeah, first I cracked it. Oh well. You have one smash and bash camera, which is this one, and they're gonna get some more.